The Tata Harrier is Tata Motors' flagship SUV that stands out for its commanding road presence, premium features, and powerful performance. Since its debut, the Harrier has carved a niche for itself in the midsize SUV segment. Built on the Omega Arc platform derived from Land Rover's D8 architecture, the Harrier blends rugged capability with refined elegance, making it a top choice for SUV lovers who crave both adventure and comfort. Gear performance. Under the hood, the Tata Harrier is powered by a 2.0-liter Kryotec turbocharged diesel engine that delivers a robust 170 PS of power and 350 Nm of torque. It comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth power delivery and a dynamic driving experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling off-road terrains, the Harrier ensures confident and stable handling with its finely tuned suspension and electronic stability program (ESP) offered as standard. Drive modes like Eco, City, and Sport, along with terrain response modes Wet, Rough, Normal, adapt the Harrier's behavior to your driving style and terrain conditions, enhancing versatility. Oncoming car exterior design. The Harrier's exterior design is both muscular and futuristic. Its bold stance is emphasized by a wide front grille with a new parametric pattern, sleek DRLs on top and projector headlamps below, a floating roof design, blacked-out pillars, and 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that enhance its SUV persona. The LED tail lamps, with a connecting strip and a reworked rear bumper, give the Harrier a modern, premium appeal. The design screams confidence and makes heads turn wherever it goes. Couch and lamp interior design. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a luxurious, tech-rich cabin. The Harrier boasts a panoramic sunroof for an airy feel, a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, premium leatherette upholstery, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, wireless charger, air purifier, and JBL Tune 9-speaker audio system in higher variants. The spaciousness in the cabin, with generous legroom and boot space, makes it ideal for long family trips. Fuel pump fuel efficiency. For an SUV of its size and power, the Tata Harrier offers impressive mileage. Manual transmission. Around 16.8 km/h. Automatic transmission. Around 14.6 km/h. These figures can vary slightly based on driving conditions, but for a diesel SUV with 170 PS, it remains fuel efficient and economical for its class. Flying money pricing. As of 2025, the Tata Harrier is available in several variants, including Smart, Pure, Adventure, Fearless, and their Plus versions. Prices start from approximately 15.49 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the base variant, going up to 26.44 lakh rupees for the top-end Fearless Plus Dark Edition automatic. Tata offers a variety of trims to match different budget levels while ensuring high value in every variant. The Tata Harrier is a true testament to Tata Motors' progress in design, safety, and technology. It offers a fantastic combination of style, power, comfort, and ruggedness, ideal for Indian roads and Indian hearts. If you're looking for a feature-rich SUV with premium design and strong performance, the Harrier is worth every penny. Whether you're an urban explorer or an adventure seeker, the Tata Harrier is ready to ride with you. National Park Fire. Let me know if you'd like the YouTube SEO version of this overview too.